If you love to drink tea, why do you drink unknown leaves? Why not drink Sohanjana, Moringa leaves tea, which has ultimate health benefits for your health? In today's video, I am going to share 35 health benefits of drinking Moringa tea. 35 health benefits mean this tea has benefits for every organ of your body. All coming up in this video. I wonder why people don't know about these amazing tea leaves which contain these many health benefits. Here are 35 health benefits of using Moringa, Sohanjana tea leaves. One. Extremely useful in joint pain. 2. For sharp eyesight. 3. To lose weight. 4. Strengthening the bones. 5. Clears all wrinkles and shadows. 6. Best for liver functionality. 7. Best to strengthen backbone. 8. Epilepsy can be cured by using Moringa tea. 9. If you want to strengthen the bones of your child, add Moringa in their milk. 10. It works wonderfully in cleansing the blood. 11. Moringa tea has the capability to break kidney and bladder stones. 12. Fixes gas, liver, and stomach problems. 13. Kills stomach worms. 14. Useful for people suffering from asthma and cough. 15. Eliminates stomach and spleen pain. 16. High-quality disinfectant. 17. Boiling in milk makes it perfect for muscle growth. 18. All urinary tract diseases go away. 19. Best and easy solution to all constipation problems. 20. Relieves inflammation of the large intestine. 21. Jaundice cure. 22. Weakness of the uterus goes away. 23. Best for baby feeding mom. 24. Boosts the body's natural immunity. 25. Increases strength of the brain and eyes. 26. Promotes cell structure of the body. 27. Controls natural cholesterol serum. 28. Promotes liver and kidney function. 29. Makes skin beautiful. 30. Increases digestion strength. 31. Acts as an anti-oxidant. 32. Promotes a healthy blood system. 33. Prevents inflammation. 34. Makes you feel healthy. And last but not least, 35. Maintains the level of sugar in the body. I know you might be overwhelmed, but I had to tell you the complete benefits of using Moringa tea leaves in one video. And trust me, this tea is really that much beneficial. So, throw away the unknown tea leaves from the kitchen and put the leaves of Moringa. Drink this amazingly beneficial tea every day after lunch and you will not need anything else for your health issues. If you think this was a helpful video, then share it with your friends and family. We share interesting health videos on our YouTube channel every day. Subscribe to our channel and be a part of a healthy community.